Good morning, everyone. And this is Pamela with I Want the Truth. So today, this is part of our building and organizing. We are organizing for Christmas. So this is our command center. We actually have 4 computers up there, and it was just crazy. We moved from a larger house, and our command center has shrunk. So this is what we have now. We have the our one computer, we do our billing, and the other, the large HP Envy, is for our editing, and we absolutely love it. The Envy has a phone charger built into the base, and I just put my phone up there and it charges it. But what we're doing is, as you can see, we got a lot of stuff all over the place. We have 40 some odd cabinets in this kitchen, and I still cannot find space. So we're going to take this one Envy computer and we're going to put it in the bedroom. So I'll meet you in the bedroom in a minute and show you where we're going to put it. Okay, so we're getting ready for Christmas, and this is just part of it. I like this duvet, but I do have another one coming. I think I'm going to put a Christmas one on it, but just getting started. So that's why we're doing it. We're trying to get ready to decorate for Christmas and have everything organized. So we're going to put a shelf there. We built this shelf. It is a ash. What is the actual color of that one? I forget. It used to be my
special walnut.
Special. That ain't special walnut. It's the gray.
Oh, weathered gray.
Weathered gray. So we have a 6-foot weathered gray countertop that we were making a hall tree for someone, and they changed their mind in the colors that they wanted. And I said, "Oh, I'll keep that." He actually had somebody else that wanted to buy it. And I said, "No, I love that countertop." Show us that countertop, Jim. I mean, gorgeous, gorgeous, and it goes with everything. We might even do some of those in in the camper. So he's going to put it in front of the window so we have something to look out at. And we'll also have the windowsill. You might want to put it up a little bit so we have the windowsill as a little bit more storage. And we can put the dog bed. We also built a dog cage, and it matches it. And we're going to put that over there.
Yeah, these are some.
We got the big dogs, right?
These are the special hinges. That way you can always just fold it down if I need to. That's another reason I won't put the monitor up on its own shelf.
Right, so you can fold it down. I gotcha.
So if I need...
Because they're all-in-one monitors, so the computer's in the monitor. Yeah, love it. So we got to get something back there. We're not used to this. We just moved from a huge house into a 2,000 square foot house. And we thought because we added 3,000 square feet in buildings that we would have enough room, and we don't. We don't have enough room. You never have enough room. I don't care. You're in a 4,000 square foot house, you still are not going to have enough room. You always find something to put in it. But
So we're going to go 30-inch countertop.
Okay.
Because that's what the old one is out there.
Well, my chair will fit under that?
Yep, it's the same size as the one out there.
Okay.
30 inches tall.
How tall we going?
32 inches.
32 inches. All right.
I'm rich for a quarter.
All right.
So we'll put that little doohickey right there.
Later on today, we are going to go to the bathroom, and we are going to
We're not going to go to the bathroom. We're going to go in the bathroom.
Okay, we're going in the bathroom, and we're going to resurface one of the countertops to see how that works. Got this beautiful granite, and marble. I have so many. There's one that's shiplap. That's for the walls. We have a granite. In fact, this is the white granite. And then I have one that has a little bit less veins in it, and it's the marble. I didn't open it yet. And then this is the shiplap for the walls. You could put it on a countertop too. I just don't think I would like that. Well, it depends on what you're putting on top of. So what I like about these is you can reposition them. It's a wallpaper, but it's a repositionable wallpaper. It's like the vinyl decals they have out now. You can put them up there. They're staying up there. If you have a problem, you can add a little bit of spray adhesive. And but I suggest not to, because if you ever want to remove it, you can just pull it down if you didn't add adhesive to it.
Got some little screws.
something.
This is what I got to work with.
Okay, I'll move it all. What, 40 pounds?
At least.
50?
Maybe 60.
Well, I can pull up the packing and see.
How about if I...
Yeah, put some kind of shelf on the window with
Yeah.
legs.
Yep. And I can just raise it up just here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah.
I got it, folks.
You need a lot of support for that, so.
Yes, the last thing, all the trouble we went there to get it, I don't want to break it.
Yeah.
All right, folks, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Nice snug.
Mommy,
Uh-huh.
I found another clock, more clocks, but I had to write the time down.
Okay, the camera's on. Can you go over there?
Oh. I didn't know.
All right, go do it then.
All right, yeah.
Okay, very good.
Oh, crap.
Let me just get Brian's thing here.
I think I put it down upside down.
How you know what's upside down and not upside down?
Because see how it's long here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, sure.
Do you have a yardstick out there, Jim?
I do somewhere.
Yeah, well, we're just moving somewheres is not good.
Good. I'm going to put a wall anchor in that one.
Okay. And we're just gonna put papers in it.
Yeah, how about that?
Perfect.
Now I got to put my bandana on.
I don't think that's gonna fit in there. Shooby dooby dooba dooba. You can put a hole right through it, baby. Bam, because we're explorers. I'll just put a pin or something there when I go to wear it.
What?
You got here.
Coronation.
Can you hear it? The kids are homeschooled. Yeah. This one. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis. All right, hit the road, Jack. Get something to drink.
Is it break yet?
Are you eating? What?
Yeah, the lunch today.
Break?
Wait, what?
What'd you say? Can you have what?
We can now.
Yeah.
We need one.
Yep.
You know what? Well, you ain't even in here, are you? Talking to myself as usual. There you go, folks. Not bad. It's not bad at all. I'm gonna put that blind down so we can see a little bit better. There you go. There you go. That don't look bad at all. And thank you very much.
Okay, so we're gonna wrap it up now. So what we did here, we hung the 2 baskets. We got the magazine basket over there, which we're just gonna use for paperwork of ideas that we have for the next day's footage, then or script. Then on the right side, we have the long basket, and that will be for odds and ends. And the hat, of course, was just for pizzazz. We've got the NV 37-inch computer. Top of the line on top of our weathered gray countertop with a granite backsplash that gave us that extra lip to put the computer on and have a little bit of room for the keyboard. We threw the 3 candles in there for a little ambiance and 2 little Christmas displays to liven it up. Pull on back and you see the lovely comfortable chair with lumbar. You turn the knob and it gives me lumbar, but I also have the Let It Snow lumbar pillow. And we're still going to get sleeves for the wires, trash can that I'm going to cover in the granite, and I'm going to paint the vents and things like that, and that should give it the final touches. The clock, I think, just adds an old world charm to it, and I just love it. Thank you very much. If you got any good experience from this or you like the video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe if you would like to see other videos on building. Also, some crafts. We'll be doing minor crafts to decorate different projects that we do. We do our projects from A to Z. We build, we clean, we decorate. So we do it all. But please subscribe and hit the notification bell and have a wonderful, blessed day.